Hey guys, welcome to Victoria's Poultry Farm. Okay, so this is my first video I am uploading about poultry farming on this app, and this channel is just there to enlighten potential poultry farmers who wish to start poultry farming but care so much about veterinary cost and other stuffs. So Victoria's Poultry Farming is here to motivate potential farmers who wish to start a small 10, 15, 20, anything. I ordered these chicks 12 weeks ago, and this is how they are looking now. No vaccination, no medicine from any veterinary. I raised them organically. So if you are interested, stay tuned for more. Like and subscribe. Thank you.